हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर सेशन ऑफ ग्रीन ट्रेड्स। आज के वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्टॉक्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू ऑटो इंडस्ट्री एंड दैट इज बजाज ऑटो। तो जैसे कि आप न्यूज़ ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं, जेपी मॉर्गन सीज 15% अपसाइड विथ एक्सपोर्ट्स बॉटमिंग आउट एंड राइजिंग मार्जिन्स। तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द न्यूज़ विच इज डेफिनेटली गोना इम्पैक्ट दिस स्टॉक इन अपकमिंग सेशंस। तो हम लोग एज अ टेक्निकल एनालिसिस और ट्रेडर्स इसका बेस्ट पॉसिबल यूज कैसे करें। तो फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज, इफ यू रीड द नेक्स्ट लाइन, द ब्रोकरेज इज सेट द टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ 4400 ऑन द स्टॉक। दैट मीन्स इट इज बुलिश एंड देयर इज एन अपसाइड टारगेट विच इज ऑलरेडी सेट। तो हम लोग एज ट्रेडर इस स्टॉक का मोमेंटम कैसे कैप्चर कर सकते हैं। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स मूव टू द टेक्निकल एनालिसिस ऑफ द स्टॉक। तो जैसे कि हम लोग इधर देख सकते हैं, I've already marked the levels from where the stock has moved. Remember guys, I've used a weekly time frame because this is a news that will impact in a slower and steadier manner and over a course of a period. तो हम लोग daily time frame या hourly time frame पे analysis करके इसका better output derive करने के लिए बहुत difficult कर देंगे। इसीलिए I have taken a broader time frame so that it is good for any investor who is looking at a medium term horizon. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग अगर देखें, there was a fall, not a big fall as such, but a considerable fall that had come in the market, and after which the market structure has started to create a bottom, और उसके बाद उसने एक higher high and higher low का एक structural formation दिया है। If you see here, this at the moment is the current higher low. This was a low, this was a high, this was a higher low, this is a higher high. And if you see here, this low which market has created is again higher than the previous low. तो हम लोग ये जो low है उसे higher low consider करके एक अपना analysis derive कर सकते हैं। So now, as traders, what are the levels in which we can plan to enter? I'm saying traders because trader का मतलब ये नहीं है कि दोस्तों you have to be a trader who is only trading into intraday or maybe just holding a position of 2 to 3 days. We can consider ourselves as medium term traders also. Okay. So in this situation, as we know, the price is currently creating a structure of higher highs. तो अगर मैं यहां से फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस लो टू द प्रीवियस हाई, दिस लो टू दिस हाई, अगर मैं एक रेंज क्रिएट करता हूं, देन दिस लेवल विच इज मार्क्ड इन येलो कम्स टू अप्रोक्सीमेटली 50% ऑफ द ओवरऑल रेंज ऑफ द स्टॉक। तो हमें हमेशा ये चीज ध्यान में रखनी होगी कि वी नीड टू बाय स्टॉक्स दैट आर कमिंग एट अ डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस। ओके, मतलब एक स्टॉक है जो हायर हाई फॉर्मेशन कर रहा है या अप ट्रेंड में है, वी एज बायर्स ऑलवेज नीड टू लुक एट बाइंग इट एट अ डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस। ओके, जैसे कि हम लोग किसी भी मॉल में जाते हैं या एनी स्टोर्स दैट वी गो, वी ऑलवेज रश व्हेन देयर इज अ डिस्काउंट। व्हाई? बिकॉज वी नो दैट दैट्स द बेस्ट पॉसिबल प्राइस। और किसी स्टॉक में अगर आपको 50% और अबाउट डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, देन व्हाई टू लीव इट? So you also have to be such a trader who waits for a discount in an uptrending market. Now remember guys, buying at a discount does not mean you buy a stock in the falling markets. Okay, there is a difference between both. So पहले हमें discounted price पे buying करने के लिए technical analysis बहुत important चीज play करेगा, wherein we will know how the formation of the market structure is and what the trend is. तो यहाँ पर ट्रेंड डिराइव करने के लिए आई हैव जस्ट यूज्ड डाउ थियरी विच इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हायर हाइज एंड हायर लोज, और उसके बेसिस पे आई एम ट्राइंग टू गो एट अ डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस. Okay, because if I plan to buy at these higher levels, then it becomes very difficult for me to cover up my positions. So the lesser price I buy, the maximum profit that I will take in the market. So what is the good price for you to buy? The good price was somewhere in this range wherein the stock has actually already visited and then moved up. तो अगर आप यहाँ पर देखते हो, the price of the Bajaj Auto, which was good at buying, was at somewhere around 3,750 to 3,760 or 70 levels. Now at this levels, price has already come and started moving up. So now rushing back to this levels to buy does not make sense, guys. So let the price come back at this levels. आप यहाँ पर buying के लिए देखोगे, your stop loss will be below this level, which was the previous swing low that was market had created, which was a higher low. तो आप यहाँ पर आपका entry place करोगे, okay, your stop loss will be here, and then you will start to move along with the market. The second most important thing, guys, that we need to see is where the previous selling pressure was. Now, if you see, the previous selling pressure or the strong selling pressure was at 4,260 levels. Okay. Now, if we are buying at 3,700, it becomes a great discounted price and a good target to look for. Okay. Now, if I just try to calculate what our risk to reward will be, the risk to reward that comes is somewhere around 1:4 or 1:4.5, which is extremely good for you as traders, guys. तो हमेशा याद रखिएगा, the prices should be bought or the stocks should be bought at a discounted prices, but in the uptrending market. That's how you are going to make money. यहाँ पर big players का target क्या है? If you see, the big players target is somewhere at 4,400. But we, being cautious, are actually getting out at much more ahead or maybe much more before than the big players would actually start to liquidate their positions. So this is very, very important and a crucial trade, guys. Okay, so now I hope it definitely added some insights to your trading and viewing of the markets. In case you have got any difficulties regarding any of the stocks, not only this stock, any other stocks that you want me to come up with the analysis, you can post it into the comment section. If you want to learn about the technical analysis, guys, I have given my mail ID and the contact details. You can definitely contact me for the classes as well. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much and have a great day.